outwardly shown. It's great. Across the phone, like they stole it. Oh, how they hold it. Glad we really forfeit. I'm going by quickening you. I'm telling darkness from lines of
Watching the film.
Someone pushed my log down.
Probably the wind.
habitat. Oh, man, where the air snap and the whole class alone.
Don't vlog yourself.
Anyone in focus? Okay. So, it's been a little while. 42 days, I believe. I've been in a weird mindset. I haven't been able to create anything. So I have all these clips and stuff in a folder that I've been trying to make a video out of, but every time I go in and try to make a video, I just can't do it. And it sucks. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff happening coming up in the future. In October, there's specifically a lot of stuff. Nick and I are gonna see Silver Sun on the 6th. And then 2 days later, I'm gonna drive up to Arkansas, or Kansas, to go meet up with Allison. And we're gonna go see Silver Sun pickups again. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a good time. I'm excited. It's giving me something to look forward to.
We are sown through the attributes. On pure king and sunny green for me. Same word Pilatos with Wall Street and his stone sheets. Stashed the set. Oh, we living alone. When the cracks in the low part of the stone.
Nick thinks we're lost, but we're totally not, because I know where we're going.
I'm not lost. I just
That's why he got out of his phone like 30 minutes ago. He's like,
just want to know which way to go.
Also, Nick got contacts. That's why he's not wearing any glasses.
No, my eyes just got better.
Oh, weird. Neat.